Hey guys, and welcome to Math Channel. We have here 7 minus 1 times 6 minus 1 in parentheses. As we know, according to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. As we know, multiplication and division are equally important, and addition and subtraction are equally important. So we have here one parenthesis that we have to solve this first. 6 minus 1 is equals to 5. Now let's rewrite the expression. 7 minus 1, we have one multiplication here, and 5. And as we know, according to the PEMDAS, multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction, and we have to solve this multiplication first. 1 times 5 is equals to 5, and now 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. The final answer is 2. Thank you for watching.